Hello, YouTube community. Today we're going to tackle a topic that can be annoying for many. The dreaded Facebook session expired. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to share with you some practical solutions to overcome this inconvenience. Let's get started. The first solution is to check if Facebook has any pending updates. To do this, head to the Play Store on Android devices. In the search bar, type Facebook and check if there are any updates available. This helps us rule out problems related to the app version. Another solution is to go to your device's settings, enter the Apps section and search for the Facebook app. Depending on your device, look for the Force Stop option and click on it. This can help shut down any processes that are causing the session expired issue. If the above solutions don't work, the classic and effective option is to restart your device. This helps to rule out any problems related to the operating system or device memory. If after all these actions you still have problems with session expired, it's time to contact Facebook. Clearly explain the problem you are experiencing. You can do this through Facebook's support platform or by using the available help channels. And that's it, folks. I hope these solutions have helped you solve the Facebook session expired issue. If you liked this video or found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any other questions or suggestions. See you in the next video. See you later.